There are two methods to download a Google Docs document as a plain text or .txt file. The first method is quite straightforward. Just go to the file menu, navigate to download, and then click plain text. So it will convert your document into a simple txt file. So if I open that text, it's going to bring me something like this. So you can see that there is no images and also there is no link or other formatting. But there is another method that I personally prefer the most, which is by just selecting all the content in the document. I'm going to press Ctrl A on my keyboard, and this will select all the content in the document. I'm going to copy it, just right click anywhere and then click copy. Now I'm going to open another new text document on my computer. This is empty and you can just paste it anywhere and boom, it will be the same as before. This is the download method, this one, and this is just the copy and paste method, which is essentially the same because .txt file doesn't bring the formatting or style to your file here. So it's basically just copy the text and will ignore everything else. So either way, I think these two methods are the best ways to download a Google Docs document as a .txt file.